Zimbabwe, more release time. The jail never end. The gods, the kings, we are called to join. Yeah, we bleed. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. Oh, hey. Zimbabwe, we lay not chance. Don't release time, only take the jail never end. The gods, the kings, we are called to join. 2016, them set them at clean house. Targeting the criminal zone, Mugabe no doubt. But the same snakes back again, no shame. Jonathan Moyo and him crew play the same game. Constitution tear, law broke like paper. Politicians rule like tyrants, street to street neighbor. We drop in a system with no hope, no end. Zimbabwe are the jelly guards, you is so-called friends. Picnic hungry mothers cry on the night. We fight these scraps while them dining on the light. Corruption a king, greed a the law. The powerful free while we scratch and claw. We never ask, we risk, never betray. But they make we life, a debt we fi pay. Fear run through we veins, despair in our eyes. But still the nation sing, never take no lies. Every promise a lie, every election another disguise. Zimbabwe, hear me now. The same faces return. Like vulture them a circle. We had suicide burn. 2017 was a coup. Now another stealth crime. The Constitution still up every time. Jonathan Moyo, savior corruption. You lies a plague, you words a construction. Cabinet of thieves, ministers are decay. Zimbabweans suffer, but your party and play. Them change game, change face, but the agenda remain. The rich get richer while the people feel chain. No justice, no peace, only oppression. This the reality, raw. No concession, Jah. If the suffering come from sins we bear, have mercy upon the pity we can't spare. Them innocent, yet trapped in our plight. Give strength to your heart, courage to fight. Ancestors watch, trembling at them brave. Them see them pity oppressed and slave. We will rise, we will shout. Never bend, never bow, we never rout. Every street corner whisper betrayal. Every town square they go them veil. The politicians do as them wish, lawless insane while the nation bleed. Cries remain, freedom a dream we fade in all the sun. Hope a weapon, but the fight never done. Zimbabweans trapped in a cage of lies. He live under shadow of tyrants' disguise. Me see me brethren beaten for talk truth. Me see me sister hungry, robbed from me youth. The streets of prison, he hold my cage while leaders act like we just page. Every day a struggle, every night prayer, but still the people endure. Still them there, we rise from ashes, we sing from pain. Zimbabwe will never perish, we remain. Zimbabwe, we lay in our chest. Zimbabwe, the release time, only pain. The jail never end, the gods, the kings. Zimbabwe will never perish. We lay in our chains. Zimbabwe, no release time, only pain. The jail never end, the gods, the kings. Zimbabwe will never perish. Jah, have mercy upon the pygmy of Zimbabwe. Give us strength, courage, and freedom. We will rise, we will fight, we will sing. Zimbabwe will breathe again. Jah, have mercy upon the pygmy of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe will never perish. Zimbabwe will never perish. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe, we may not change. Zimbabwe, 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 yeah, Zimbabwe, we may not change. Zimbabwe, no, it means that. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe will never perish. Zimbabwe, Jah, have mercy upon the picnic of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, 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 Zimbabwe will never perish. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe will breed again. Jah, have mercy upon the picnic of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe will breed again. Jah, Zimbabwe, 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 Zimbabwe will never perish. Jah, have mercy upon the picnic of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe will made again. Zimbabwe will never perish.